Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new bank to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a new bank connected to your business and you want to go ahead and set that up in your chart of accounts in QuickBooks. How do you actually go ahead and add that new bank? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to QuickBooks. Then on the left-hand side, you want to click on Menu so it toggles down. Then highlight Transactions and then click on Chart of Accounts. Once you've done so, on the right-hand side, you're going to see this New option. Click on New. And then from here, you can enter your bank's name. So we'll just say Wells Fargo. For the account type, you're going to set this to bank, and there you have it. You could also go ahead and adjust the detail type and then click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a new bank to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.